So what's today, YouTube? How's it going? Today we're going squid fishing, and let's see what we could catch. We'll get high. Oh, double. Oh, nope, that's not double. Good size. It's getting bigger. Getting bigger and bigger.
Oh yeah, I got one.
You got one? All right.
Yeah, a little bigger.
Bigger? Yeah. Hey, action, right? Can't complain, oh. Oh.
And the grill tomorrow.
Muy bien. Oh, ooh, nice. This size, I'll take this size all day long, all day. I'll take this size all day. Get in. Oh man, my kayak's gonna be inked up again. It's like the beginning of the season again. There's a bunch of them right here. You see it?
Yeah, yeah.
Bunch. Oh, one with you. I'm catching them on the saw football. The white Yozuri. Yozuri is the squid killer. Oh, there goes a squid in my spot. What is that? Oh, no.
So you leave around 1 o'clock?
Yeah. But like I said, if the bite's not hot, yeah. But if the bite's like on fire, you know.
If you leave, I'm gonna stay until close to 4 o'clock or whatever.
Okay.
5 o'clock. Then if you can see
You're not that far from the, you know. So, you sure? Oh, and then the mackerel probably come in the morning.
Yeah, maybe go catch mackerel.
Yeah.
My main thing is mackerel.
I know.
I want mackerel more than squid.
Damn.
Ngày muốn tới là chả một quán không là bếp con khô mackerel với các con cuốn đánh.
Whoa.
Mà nó chín anh.
I know. It's perfect for the grill.
Yeah. Butterfly it with some sauce.
Mm-hmm. Whoa, that sounds so good.
I only do one chick, maybe I should put it on.
What?
Only put one chick on.
Really? I put 2. I need to kill this light. Ugh. This light's so bright right now.